What was in my sink? We're gonna be working on the sink here today because it's leaking, so we gotta get it fixed. That costs money. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I grabbed a handful of tools and grabbed this box out of the basement. So we got some stuff there. And I got a pocket full of tools. Some random tools. Might need a screwdriver.
Hold out time.
Let's see what happens. Okay, let's start with disconnecting this. Yeah, how come plumbing always has to be underneath in weird spots? Way under here. Oh yeah, that's a lot of fun. I don't want to go under there. Alright, I guess I have to empty this out so I can climb in there. Vinegar, soap, liquid heat, old band, some blankies. Oh, that doesn't seem good. Let's see what this does. Apparently nothing. I can't reach it. Oh, in my face. Lands in my face. Oh, that's horrible. Take this off. Don't want to get my nice sweatshirt nasty. Why does it smell like pee?
I think there's a lot of times. Like,
cramping up. Tried to turn these little plastic washers, but my fingers only turn a little bit before they get bound with the corrosion. Let me try this. It's a lot of corrosion. Okay, I finally crawled out. That was at least a half an hour. Probably 40 minutes down with Mr. Spider. That stuff dripping on my face the whole time.
I'm not pressing anything.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if it comes up. Yeah. Oh, now we know what that stuff was. Yummy, yummy. All over my hair. All right there, so we finally got that loose, that loose. Some nasty poop looking stuff. I think we need to unscrew this so we can pull that out. See where it goes. I know where it goes. It goes there. Nasty, difficult. Yeah. Ooh. Nice and shiny. Oh, at least it lines up. That'd be bad if they didn't line up. Feed the snake through the tube. Don't want to pre-poop on it. Keep it clean. That looks happy. Alright, I cleaned the poop out of these, so I'm going to go underneath and connect them up. Whoops, forgot to do this part. Feed this through here. There we go, makes it look nice. Alright, let me tell you, the new one took literally 5 minutes under the sink to get it connected. The old one took 40 minutes to get it off. That's the difference between corroded, crappy connectors full of poop and nice shiny ones. So, only thing left is to see if it leaks. Let's go turn the water on. Okay, let's hope we don't hear a bunch of leaking and spraying above us. Better go upstairs and check it out. I don't see any drips yet. If it works. Alright, that was a dirty job. That was no fun. Yeah. No more drip drip.